Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to turn on or enable it or disable it, the Find My Device in the Windows 11. So to the separation, click on the search here, write the settings, click on it, and on the left side we have a privacy and security. So go there, and there is a Find My Device option. So click on it, and there is a case in first option. This is disable it of option Find My Device. You can turn it on to find your device by your account, by your Windows account. Yeah. So from here you can see all device linked to your accounts. In my case, I wouldn't login in with my account. So anyway, you can check all of your device which is pinned to your account. So that's it about the Find My Device. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.